Hi guys, Darren from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you so much for joining us today on the Fluid Art Express with our amazing art family. Today I'm just sitting out in the garage having a bit of a play, so I thought I'll take you along for the ride. Here we go.
I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set in motion. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. 'Cause the bigger they are, the harder they fall. You build your fortress and I'll climb your walls. You got your armor, but I see your flaws. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Bigger they are, the harder they fall. Can you hear history calling you, calling me? Written in stone upon tablets that fade away. We will remain. Oh, look what we done. The wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all. I want it all. So long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say it. King, king, king. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one. Written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Glory to come. the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say, king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the king. I'd move the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I'd put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Love the risk, but what is this coming to? Oh, your love is dangerous. You make it dangerous. This is dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. I climb through your webs, jump off the edge of desire. Your touch takes me higher. Just give me your hands. We'll plunge the waters together and rise through the weather. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Love the risk, but what is this coming to? Oh, I the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I know the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do for this dangerous love. Oh, this dangerous love. Oh, this dangerous love. Oh, this dangerous We've been hiding in the shadows. We've been biding our time. We've been running from the devil, just trying to make it out alive. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Feel it rising up within us, getting stronger now. No one left to avenge us, but we will never back down. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Oh, like stars from the sky. Oh, can you hear us calling? Oh, this is a battle cry. This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. This means war. This means war.
So night falls, the darkness begins, creeping through the shadows within. Got nowhere to run or hide. It's in my blood. It's in my blood. I keep on fighting. I keep on running. I keep on searching for the light, for the light. Moving through the past and the lies, whispers in the smoke from the fire. Got nowhere to turn this time. It's all around. It's all around. I keep on fighting. I keep on running. I keep on searching for the light, for the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. Oh, I keep on fighting.
Rightio. I'll do a flyover of that one, let you have a close-up look at it. So the first lot of stuff I put down was all different coloured interference colours. I did a metallic purple and a metallic blue selectivator swipe. Added some extra colours to the middle, did my little radial, made my little flower. I love doing these are just so much fun. And actually really easy to do once you get the swing of it. So give it a go, it's a load of fun. Up next we've got Patty from Let's Pour with Patty. Click on her link that I put in the live chat, it'll take you to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by Venom Fluid Art on Facebook, use the play all list, that way you get to see everybody on the Fluid Art Express, one after another, and you never get lost. If you've liked this, hit like, share, and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. Ding ding! That way you get to see all this fun stuff as I release it. Alright guys, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Nothing will stop us against all the odds, but just like we promised, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight, fight, fight. Yeah, we came to fight. Circle of victims like lions. You feel, I can smell your fate, I can tell.